Well, keeping an eye now on Washington County. A group of attorneys filed a petition against the district attorney. Now, they claim he's abused his power to seek the death penalty.
KDKA's Lauren Linder talked to the Washington County DA and has the details.
About 3 years ago, we reported on concerns over the Washington County District Attorney's pursuit of the death penalty. Now, a team of defense attorneys is asking the Pennsylvania Supreme Court to restrict his use of capital punishment.
He can't exercise discretion to choose what we usually think of as the worst of the worst cases.
Frances Harvey claims Washington County District Attorney Jason Walsh is abusing his power. She's with the Atlantic Center for Capital Representation, a nonprofit that offers support for defendants in death penalty cases, which just filed a petition to the state's highest court on behalf of 2 people currently facing the possibility of death in the county.
In every case, we see that he's making this decision about the death penalty in a way that's not related to the actual facts of the case.
In the court filing, they argue since Walsh took office in 2021, he sought the death sentence in 11 out of 18 homicides and has misused the prospect of the death penalty to pressure defendants into guilty pleas, force their cooperation, and as a political tool. The petition is requesting for some or all of the following changes: for Walsh to be required to have an out-of-county judge, the Attorney General's office, or a court-appointed special master to review death penalty decisions, to prohibit Walsh from seeking death sentences in the petitioner's cases, and to get an outside judge to review every capital case since 2021.
It's absolutely ludicrous, nonsensical, without merit, filed by a think tank, a liberal think tank that's anti-death penalty from Philadelphia.
Despite the petition arguing Walsh has frequently failed to show evidence of first-degree murder and aggravating factors, Walsh says the vast majority of his cases have dealt with babies, and that age as an aggravating factor can easily be argued in court.
This office will protect the most vulnerable in society, which children fit into. We will seek justice and punish to the highest extent of the law people who brutally beat babies.
The DA now has 14 days to respond to the petition. It's important to note that since the 1970s, only 3 people have been executed in Pennsylvania, and there continues to be a moratorium in effect. For now, reporting from Washington, Lauren Linder, KDKA-TV News.